Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
There's a duck you gotta know in the town of Hilly Hole. He likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
Peking duckling.
This is one that she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
Check it out, the Hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Sail the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks.
Aww.
You guys are awesome. The Hilly Hotel. Thanks for coming to my slumber party. Don't forget your pillows. Fluff, fluff.
Thanks, Peking.
Great slumber party.
Hey, want to stay a little longer? My house feels so empty without friends inside.
Sorry, Peking. Stuff to do.
Yeah, but you were a great host.
Ding dong.
Ding dong?
My doorbell's broken. You ding dong?
I did. Package for you. Enjoy.
A package?
Ooh, I know what that is.
Great.
Yeah, but check out what's inside. My brand new plane dozer.
Plane dozer?
It's an airplane and a bulldozer.
A winning combination. The instructions say some assembly required.
Chumpkins, what is it with you and instructions? Wombat, hand me the steering wheel, please.
Well, okay.
Peking, it says you have to attach the steering wheel.
Details. Seize the day, I say. Maybe I do need this steering wheel, but where does it go?
Peking, watch out!
My bad.
Hey, what's all that racket?
Excuse me, we're having a party here.
Yeah, what he said.
Oopsie. Whoa! Oh, pastries ahead!
Oh, for cake's sake! Peking, you're headed right for Mildred's house.
Hey, I was knitting booties for Paco. Look, I made booty.
Sorry.
Do you know how to land this thing?
Sure I do. There. Next stop, the ground. Package claim to your left. Or my left. Or...
Peking, are you guys okay?
we're fine.
But I can't say the same for my lovely home. Look, you've busted my bedroom.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Peking, look what you've done to my bakery.
What?
It's all crummy.
And my glorious home is a wreck.
So I'm a home wrecker?
Look at our town, Peking.
Now, everyone. It was just an accident.
We'll fix your homes and businesses.
That's all well and good, but where are we supposed to stay during the repairs?
Oh, I know. You could all stay at my house.
All of them, Peking?
Sure. Remember my slumber party? I love having guests. It'd be just like a hotel. That's it. Friends, follow me to the Hilly Hotel.
Ooh, sounds wonderful.
Nothing like a good hotel.
Lead the way.
What does Peking know about running a hotel?
Zilch. It means nothing.
Ladies and gentle beasts, I will now show you to your rooms. Ta-da! For you, my guest room.
Sweet sarsaparilla! It looks like new.
Well, it's not, but the pillows are fluffed to perfection.
I feel so spoiled.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to spoil anything.
No, Duck. I mean, this seems like a wonderful place to stay.
Oh, good.
Now, where are our rooms exactly?
Well, they're all around you. Look. These are the kitchen quarters
How cute.
and the cellar suite
Huh, surprisingly cozy.
and the restroom room.
At least it's close to the bathroom.
Very close.
I must say, I'm pleasantly surprised.
Great. Then make yourselves comfortable. I feel a burst of hospitality coming on.
Phew, how's that, Chumpkins?
I'd say we nailed it.
A good one, Chumpy. Come on, everyone. This way. Huh?
Hey, where's everybody going?
To the Hilly Hotel.
We hear Peking's quite a host.
How is Peking going to fit all those people in his house?
I have no idea.
Ding dong!
Welcome to the Hilly Hotel. We may not have a doorbell, but we've got style.
So we hear. Got any rooms?
Oh, rooms. Sure. Come on in. We'll find a place for you to lay your head.
And what about my head?
Yours too. And yours.
There you go.
And yours.
I hope it's not too heavy.
Should we all...
Right this way. Enjoy your stay. Oh, here you go. Elevators on your left. Next, please. And this is our rec room. Rec is short for,
Recreation?
right. Thanks. Duck! Good reflexes.
Thanks. I'm a waitress. You got a pool?
Do I got a pool? Of course I got a pool. It's right over there. Note the ant, lifeguard.
Pastry roof complete.
And I didn't eat any of it.
Good boy. I wonder how Peking is doing.
Get in there, luggages. Or is it luggage? Whatever. Well, my Hilly Hotel is full. I don't think we could fit one more guest.
Ding dong! Oh, sorry I'm late. I had to get my bowling ball collection.
Bowling ball collection? Uh-oh. Oh no! The Hilly Hotel is going to fall! Checkout time! Everybody out!
I guess that's how the cookie crumbles.
Overbooked and overstuffed.
Okay, everyone's safely outside. Please step back, guests. Thank you.
There. Now every house in Hilly Hole is fixed.
What's that sound?
I don't know. But it's coming from Peking's house.
Peking's house. It fell down.
And that sounds like Peking.
Let's go.
Peking, are you okay?
I'm fine, Wombat. Everyone's fine. It's just there were too many guests at the Hilly Hotel, and it fell down.
It certainly did.
Now where is everyone gonna stay?
They can all go home now.
Yeah, we just finished repairing their houses. Every one of them.
Really? That's great! But where will I stay?
Oh, don't you worry about that, Peking. We'll help you rebuild your house.
Really? You do that for me?
Sure. You ran the best hotel in town. And that outfit, it's just adorable.
No one fluffs a pillow like you.
Can I lend a trunk? Get it? I'm an elephant.
Clever. Nice to see you've kept your sense of humor.
Come on, everyone. Let's rebuild.
Good chance to fix the doorbell.
Oh, thank you! Thank you all!
This plane-dozer actually comes in handy.
Peking's house will be good as new.
Well, he don't fly and he don't quack. He hangs with a pig and a cute wombat. They like to take a stroll in the town of Hilly Hole. They fly the helicopter, yeah, the suckers on a roll.